Hey guys, welcome to my video demo. I'm Shupratik and I'm representing Team Renegades. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the prototype of our project.
All right, getting started. So how our whole system basically works is inside the server directory of our project, we have a Flask application, which is this application.py. And this is our server. So what this application.py does is it gets the prediction from these models and sends it to the front end. What is the front end? So we also have a React application here. And this is what the Flask backend is serving to the client. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and start the server. All right, so our server is up and running now. Let's check it out. And here we have our landing page. So taking a quick tour, we have a bunch of stuff here. So this is our main section where we're going to choose files and we're going to upload them. Down here, we have a link to our GitHub repository, which is where you can find all the source code for the project and all the documentation as well. And here we have some contact information to get in touch with me and the rest of the development team. The About tab, it gives us some extra information about the project. It's not the documentation. The documentation is available in the GitHub repository. And the Nearby tab is something I'm going to come back to a little bit later in this video. For now, let's try this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload an image of a skin condition that I've saved in my machine, and I'm going to try and get a prediction out of this app. Let's do it. So it says it's getting my results. This can take a few seconds. And there we have it. It's giving us back our results. So the image that we uploaded is apparently benign keratosis-like lesions. It tells us a little bit more about that. And we also get to know that there are chances of malignant cancer. I'm going to talk about what's happening under the hood here for a second. So if I go back to my terminal, I'm going to see a lot of things have happened here. So basically, when we uploaded an image, what actually happens is the image data gets written into a file called upload.jpg. And as you can see, it logs out in the console that a file was created. After creating the file, it gets the prediction from the models and sends the data back to the user, which is what gets displayed on our screen here. So that was all about the workflow of the main functionality of our app. Now moving on to one of the smart features of our solution, which is the Nearby tab. Yeah. So what the Nearby tab does is, based on my results and my geographical location, it's going to recommend me appropriate dermatologists in my area. So if I click on it, it's going to ask me for permission to use location services. And if I allow, it takes a second, and there we have search results for dermatologists in my area. I can move it around and see more results if I want to. And if I want to get more information about one particular search result, I can just click on it. It's as simple as that. And with that, I conclude the demo video of our web app, which is completely responsive, by the way. It works on devices with all screen sizes. So thank you. It's been a lot of fun working on this project. And thank you for watching.